The prepper is used in a variety of surgical procedures, including but not limited to knee surgery. These devices are capable of being used with a broad patient population as determined appropriate by the caregiver or institution. Place a socket clamp on the table rail at the desired location and insert the prepper. Prior to use, inspect the product, looking for any visible damage or sharp edges that could be caused by a drop or impact during storage. Make sure the product has been properly cleaned and disinfected and wiped dry prior to each use. Adjust the cradle height so that it will support the leg behind the heel when the leg is raised. Before releasing the leg, make certain that it is safe and secure in the cradle. 2 preppers may be used for a bilateral leg prep. The product should be stored in a clean and safe environment to prevent product damage. The device may be removed from the field or dropped below table level.